Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of hospitalityschool.com. In this tutorial number 16, you will learn everything that you would need to learn about maid's cart. In this episode you will learn, what is maid's cart, key features of maid's cart, responsibilities of room attendant, qualities of a perfect maid's cart, items that are stocked at maid's cart, how items are arranged at maid's cart, maintenance of maid's cart. What is maid's cart? Housekeeping maid's cart is a trolley which is used to stock all necessary guest supplies in accordance with the allocated numbers of rooms that are required by housekeeping department in effectively performing hotel operations. The maid cart is usually positioned in the linen room where other housekeeping supplies are also stored. These carts are available in both metal and wood. The key features of maid cart which make it a very effective housekeeping tool are as follows. 1. Carry large amount of supplies and equipment. 2. Provide assurance for availability of all guest supplies together. 3. Carry cleaning equipment by removing and carrying of cleaning materials, soiled linen and garbage. Responsibility of room attendant. The room attendant cart is generally handled by the room attendant who is responsible for proper application of maid cart including cleanliness and maintenance. To ensure smooth operation and to avoid unwanted events, the room attendants should execute the following functions. Function number 1. Check the supplies against the provided checklist before forwarding into room service. Function number 2. Maintain the cart in a well-organized manner which is beneficial for easy availability of supplies. Function number 3. To bring hygienic tone and make it appealing, the cart should be cautiously maintained and stored locked. Function number 4. Place the cart along the corridor wall to avoid any collision during cleaning. Requirements of maid's cart. An ideal maid cart must fulfill the following requirements. There must be expansive space in the cart that it able to carry all those supplies which are required by a room attendant in a particular workday. The cart should be easily movable by the maid as it contains large amount of supplies. To make it easily movable, a perfect cart would have fixed wheels at one end and caster wheels at the other. Stocking of room attendant's cart. Housekeeping supplies that are usually stocked in the maid cart are as follows: bed sheets, night spread, bath towels, face towels, pillowcases, bath mats, mattress protector, hand towels. Here are some points to be considered for handling maid cart. Each room attendant will be responsible for each of the items, so these supplies should be used in assigned room only. Be careful while moving with cart to avoid any unwanted collision. Housekeeping trolley should be placed beside the corridor in time of cleaning in such a way that guests can move easily. Try to place cart in a way that requires less movement to clean different rooms. How items are arranged at housekeeper's trolley. The room maid cart includes 3 deep shelves, the lower 2 shelves for stocking linen and the top shelves for stocking supplies. The cart has a bag for collecting soiled linen, removable thrash bags, storing space for a vacuum cleaner and a hand container, a top that is partitioned for amenities, guest room brochures. Maintenance of maid's cart. The room or the place where the maid cart will be positioned must be dried and well ventilated. All carts with attachments should be thoroughly cleaned and wiped daily. The wheels of cart must be well made and oiled intermittently with expert hand. All the linens and supplies should be properly organized in the cart after each shift that it make easier to replenish